Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is about the trim and the weld tool. If you have two objects, in this case there's an object as a star, and the star is in the back layer because the blue's on top, you can select them both and use the trim tool, and now you have just that part of the star and the other part is gone. It's been trimmed away. So one thing you can do with that, you could double click on that star, Control D and make a duplicate, move the center rotation to the center of the circle, and let's just rotate it 45 degrees, Control D, all the way around. And then you can take your object away. You gotta actually select all this and then just weld it, and now you've got one solid object of stars that you can make it any color with the Smart Fill tool and have that object. So when you're trimming, just keep in mind that your item has to be behind it to trim. Let's just do another example. We'll use a rectangle this time. If the rectangle is on top, it's going to trim away the blue part and not the red part. So we'll go to trim, and now you have this side. If we change the order and put this in the background, go to Object, Order, Back of Page, now it's going to trim that out of the red, and it was basically the same thing because it's a flat object. But it's always going to trim the part that's in the background. Let's do, tell you what, let's take this rectangle and make it a little bit different so you can kind of see there. So that's in the background. We've already welded the other, already trimmed the other part. So you're just basically making it shorter. But if we take this and go to Effects and put it, Group or Order, put it to the back of the page, well, that's what we actually had. Let's put this to the front of the page. I've got it so short now, it's on the front of the page. So now if we trim it, you're gonna have like a C looking thing because it's gonna take out whatever is on top is gonna go away. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.